What is going on, guys? In today's video, I am with Hunter.
What's up?
And we're going to be doing a live bait fishing challenge with minnows that we just went and caught. Caught a ton of them. So yeah, I have a rod, and we're gonna get some of these hooked up and try to catch something on them. So we made it over here to the hole where we have the minnow trap. We have one right there. We've actually had this set out for a day. We set it out last night, and then we came this morning and checked them. There's some minnows in there, and then we have one way down the road, or down this stream. That we're going to check, that we set out this morning. So let's check these so we have some bait. What's up, Brad? Hunter said he sees minnows in here.
I see something.
Oh, pull it up.
Pull it up, let's go.
No, pull it up from there. Yeah.
I see something.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. I guess this hole did have minnows in it.
I told you I saw a couple. I saw stuff like...
Up there, at that hole up top, there's always a ton of minnows in there. And it rained real hard and they must have got washed out and stayed in this down here. Well, I guess we can take some of those back.
Yeah.
We go ahead and, well, put some water in here.
Just a little bit of water. Holy crap, there's a lot of minnows in there.
I guess there are raisins in those cookies.
Yeah, there were.
Should have made a minnow trapping video.
Yeah.
Yeah, we kinda did. I guess we'll put that back in there and come and check it tonight.
Yeah, later.
Guess we'll get that tossed back in there.
You want to get some more bread then? Because I think all the cookies.
There's enough in there. They'll smell it.
Yeah, they'll smell it.
So yeah, there are the minnows. We're gonna go fish with a couple. Yeah, there's a ton in there.
There's probably around 20.
They're big too. I didn't think there'd be this many in that hole.
I knew there'd be a couple.
It's like we said, there's a ton of them out there. There's a massive school of them. Probably hundreds of them. And it rained hard and then couldn't see them very good. Just rained the other day. So yeah, the whole way down this creek, there's a couple more holes down there that we should try some other time. So yeah, we're gonna go up there to that other trap, check it, and get those minnows out.
Okay, we're at the first minnow trap, I guess you could say.
Oh, there's more than there was this morning.
You can see me. Okay guys, I rushed over here, but I got bass. Don't worry, I saved the video.
Save the video.
Yep. Fishing with Hunter, come check me out.
Oh my gosh, how do you know that's what your channel's gonna be?
Because that's what I'm putting it. Fishing with Hunter.
You can come a little closer.
Is this good?
You were in line with the camera too.
Yeah, I was in line with the camera.
Oh my gosh, you're like getting an interview.
I'll describe. So basically, I saw my line just kind of dart off, and then I reeled the fish up to the top of the water. I was like, I didn't know if I thought there was a fish. So I kind of look there and his bass comes out of nowhere and devours it.
On the live bait.
Yep, on the live bait.
Still have your minnow or not?
I don't have the bait, but I don't have the bait, but I have the hook.
Solid £1.5 tank.
Yeah, just tank. This is a
£1.5.
£1.5.
A fish is a fish.
A fish is a fish, though.
Okay, I'm gonna release him.
Yeah, I'll release him.
No, wait, do that again.
What?
You missed it. There you go.
And there she goes.
Hunter, save the video.
Video, that's the video.
Oh no, we're still gonna fish and try to catch more.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna fish and catch more. Another one.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where? Oh.
And I have the bait. Hey, what's up, guys? Second bass. This one's not a tank or anything. This is a smaller bass, but a bass is a bass. To me, pain has nothing. Okay, well anyways, this is the second bass that I got. Give it a little kiss. On the back. It's off. Kind of. Yeah, so she goes. I'm gonna get back to fishing. Hey guys, Peyton just got a perch. We put these perch in here a little while back.
Yeah, we put like 4 perch in here and they were probably half this thing size.
Not even. They're probably like there. Yeah, about half.
Yeah, about half the thing size. Look how big that is. Put them in here not that long ago. This summer. And then,
That was last summer. A little over a year.
oh yeah.
A little bit over a year we've had these perch in there.
I didn't even feel it bite. Just picked up my rod and it went. Get him released. So we're gonna get back to fishing and see how many more we can catch.